Hi everybody, I'm JT. Welcome to another video from me here at Campervan Journey. And in this video, I wanted to show you an update on one of the gadgets that we've talked about in previous video, the Spacemate storage tray. Okay, so welcome to the Loire Valley, and we're enjoying another trip away in this part of France, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit more about the latest upgrades for the Spacemate storage tray. Now, we've been trying this out over the last few weeks, and this is a tray that's specifically dedicated to the California beach and the slightly different arrangement that this has over the ocean. So let me show you what the key differences are. So if you've seen my previous video about the Spacemate storage tray, and you'll probably get an idea as to how much or how pleased we have been with it. But a few weeks ago, the guys from Spacemate contacted me to let me know that they've been the beach specific units that they've been working on was ready. Now, for those of you who don't know, a California beach differs from the California ocean in that the main significant difference is it doesn't have the integrated kitchen, wardrobes or storage space that runs down the left hand side of the vehicle. Now, what this means is that the load area, the boot area if you will, is actually wider and more spacious than in the ocean variant. So whilst the Spacemate tray that we had previously did a great job, what it didn't do was utilise the full width or space that was available in the beach version. So guess what? The beach version of the Spacemate storage tray is bigger. So it's been engineered to come out wider on both sides, fits nicely within the guide runners for the multi-flex boards that you have on a beach for the lower bed. Now you can see behind me we've got the tray set up and used with some of these really useful boxes that we've had for a number of years. We've often used them, we use them for all our camping trips, and I've made reference to them before in a number of our videos. They just work really well. They're nice, robust, being transparent. You can see what's inside them. They stack well, and by coincidence they actually fit within the dimensions of the tray very well as well. Now, I know there's a few other storage box systems available that California owners like and use. I think one of the big ones is the European designed boxes that are probably worth trying out as well. Now, I don't know the specific dimensions of those, but it could be worth checking those to see how that they would fit, and then with how they stack within the tray too. One thing that we haven't got set up on this trip, we've come away without the multi-flex board because we've brought our tent with us, but these will fit nicely underneath the multi-flex board. The other thing you could also do is put a fridge unit within the tray and have it slide backwards and forwards because you're close to the 12-volt power unit as well. So there's been a number of improvements. The runners have been improved, more stability, more nice and stable, can cope with a large amount of weight. The catch on the front, you've got the option now to upgrade from a plastic catch to a metallic or to a metal catch if preferred. Slides out and locks in. We've got the lugs on the side here which you can use for a storage net. And then a rubber tray insert, which is a great way of stopping things from sliding around. It also damps down some of the noise as well. The storage net will just clip on to these little lugs. will retain any loose items. Certainly could be a good benefit. So there you go. So these new wider dimensions of the beach specific tray just mean you've got more utilisation of space, more accessible space to use for storing more stuff. So it's basically a better design. So what about the new feature that I mentioned in the introduction? Well, let me show you, because I'm pretty excited about this. I think it's a really, really cool option. Now, this is an optional upgrade that you can purchase from the website, and I'll put a link in the description below so you can follow to the website if you're interested in finding out more about the Spacemate or indeed purchasing one. There's also a discount code that I'll put at the end of the video that the guys at Spacemate have kindly offered viewers of Campervan Journey a saving on a Spacemate tray. So we'll slide the tray out. So we've slid the tray out, and now we're going to fit what Spacemates are calling the summer kitchen. So there's a kit that you can buy that will enable us to create a little additional space for cooking under shelter of the tailgate using the Spacemate tray as a support system. So got a couple of brackets. So take the brackets, mount them onto the frame. Taking the whole frame, we're going to mount it on to the Spacemate tray. And then just like that, we've got a good base area. In addition to the tray, we have some insert plates. Now these have got a lip on them, just around the edge, so you can either use them as a tray to capture, so if you're using this perhaps as a chopping board for chopping your onions or mushrooms or what have you, then it's going to stop them from falling over the edge. Or you can have them the opposite way up. So I'm going to go for that way up, and then this one, this is where the magic happens, I think. So this has got a cutout in it. Now if you follow the channel for a while, you'll know that one of the gadgets that we love is our CADAC Safari Chef barbecue. Now this little cutout is designed to take the CADAC Safari Chef barbecue. Through the magic of YouTube, my trusty CADAC barbecue to hand. So what we're going to do is feed the gas pipe through, locate the barbecue legs through the holes, fold the legs out, which just locks it in place, and then once I've hooked up my gas, I'll be ready to cook. Now how cool is that? So as a little additional extra, and it is an option on the website that you can choose to buy, the latest prices are all on the website, just check those out, because I know that the guys are always looking to keep their pricing as keen as they can be. Suddenly you've got a great additional feature for this, for the Spacemate tray. I know that the summer kitchen could be used with any of the trays that they've got, so why not? On a day like today, when the weather is a little bit inclement, being able to sort of set this up and work undercover has got to be a great idea. So big thumbs up from us here at Campervan Journey for what I think is a fantastic, fantastic additional feature. As with all of the other products that Spacemate make, the quality of the materials that they use, the metalwork, the welding, the powder coated finish is all absolutely top notch. And these lovely little touches here, some hanging hooks for your barbecue tools, and even integrated a bottle opener. So thank you, Spacemate. If you don't mind, I think I'll crack open a beer and cook myself some tea. So if you enjoyed this video, please remember to give us the thumbs up, hit the button to subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you on another video here on Campervan Journey very, very soon. If you're interested in the Spacemate, remember to check out their website. The link is in the description below, and at the moment we've got a discount code running as well, which is here, and you'll be able to use that to give you a saving on any products that you buy from them. So thanks again for watching, and if you've got any questions or comments, just drop me a note below. I'd be very happy to answer. If you've got a Spacemate already, drop me a line and let me know how you're getting on with it, because I think it's a great piece of kit.